Okay, welcome back to my channel. Making avocado tea. Using a leaves for making avocado tea for many health benefits, and you can listen to some of my health benefit for using avocado leaves for making tea. Avocado leaves health benefits uses of avocado leaves tea. Superfood, nature fed source in the world. Fight off any cancer cells, fight off blood sugar level. Leaves can be used in hot water for 10 minutes to make a herbal tea. For skin health, cleanse the skin and pose with paste of avocado leaves. Consuming fresh avocado leaves in a salad, stir fry, or as a tea is also helpful to reduce puffiness and swelling. Reduce swelling legs or feet. Helps in aches and pains. Fight of inflammation, reduce everyday aches and pain such as muscle soreness, back pain, toothache, headache, and joint pain. Fight of diseases like Alzheimer's, fight free radicals and prevent premature aging the body. Can also help in it's a protein source. 100 grams of avocado leaves contains 25 grams of protein. Important and creates enzymes and important hormones, building blocks for your bones, joint, muscle, and skin. Gallbladder health. Tonsil stone. Support digestion. Relieve stress. And help in weight loss. Can treat kind of a leprosy sickness as well, and asthma. People with asthma can use the leaves by boiling and drinking the water. And also it helps healthy hair, especially for the ladies. You can rinse your hair for having a healthy hair. Thanks for watching my video, and if you think that my video is helpful for you, then please subscribe to my channel.